I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the background blur or the depth of field on your photos on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first we're going to open up our camera and we're going to make sure we're in the portrait mode by swiping on the bottom to select the portrait mode. You cannot get depth of field or background blur without the portrait mode. Now we'll take a picture as an example. I'll use my hand and make sure it's in frame and take your picture. So when you're ready and you have your picture, open it up and you can see that it is a portrait picture on the top left where it shows this portrait option. You can turn the portrait off to have no background blur. Make sure to leave it on if you want to just adjust it rather than remove it completely. Now we're going to go into the photo edit options, which is using the dials on the bottom middle next to the trash can icon. And you'll first be put into the portrait editor. You can go over to adjust and change the coloring and all of that good stuff there. But we're going to focus on portrait to adjust the amount of background blur that we have. Now using this slider on the bottom, going all the way to the right will be the least amount or 0 background blur, and then going further to the left all the way will be the most amount of background blur that you can have. And now you have a perfectly set picture with the right amount of background blur that you want.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.